I've had my liquids over here on the stove and they've come to a boil and it's ready to pour into my flour and sugar mixture. So I'm going to start with that and just slowly pour that in and get that mixing. Every last drop goes in. So that's ready, and I'm going to keep this cotton handy for my icing because I'm going to make cooked icing for it. So no need to wash it, it's just chocolate. So you mix that well, and as soon as that's mixed, then we're going to add my 2 beaten eggs, half a cup of buttermilk, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. It won't take but a couple of minutes. This is really, really a quick cake. Now you do want to be kind of mixing that a little bit when you put the eggs in because that's a hot mixture and you don't want it to cook the eggs. You want them to beat right in there. So there we go. Now I'm going to add our half a cup of buttermilk.
Speak up. Loud.
Get off.
Louder.
There we go. There we go. This is a thin batter. It's not real thick, like a lot of cake mixes. Now we're going to add our half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sprinkle that right in. And a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, so that's it. It's ready. And we're going to pour that in our prepared pan, which I use a glass 9x13 baking dish sprayed with Joy, Baker's Joy, makes it easy. You can flour it yourself if you like. And we're going to bake it in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. You just kind of watch it closely after 20 minutes, and my oven's just beeped, so it's ready. So we're going to just take this. I'm not a real neat cook. I make a mess, but it cleans up easily. So the oven's ready. I'm going to pour this right in after we spray the pan. And you'll see it's a thin batter. And that's it. So we're going to bake this, like I said, for 20 to 30 minutes till it's just barely set in the middle. We want it to stay moist. And meanwhile, while this is baking, we're going to cook the frosting and have that ready to go on a few minutes after it comes out of the oven because you put it on while it's still warm. Stay tuned.